Hello again, Andrew with fixedandsold.com, and as we run into the waning hours of the day here, we're trying to get this video in quick. But for those of you on the investment side who have participated in this program, congratulations, we're crossing the finish line. This is one of the houses that we actually partnered with Knock.com on, and this place really was not their typical house either. We bid it kind of the way we're videoing it now. It was late in the day, and it was hard to get inside. It was really an investor special, but these people needed to fix it up to sell it to get full retail value on it. As is, this property probably would have sold for $80,000 or $90,000. It hadn't been maintained in many, many years, and look at it now. It looks brand new. And so the stuff that the guys did in here is, this is LP siding. It was really in bad shape, but they painted the bottom edges of the siding by hand and repainted all the rest of the siding. It looks brand new. They've got designer colors on the steps out here. They cleaned up the whole interior, and it was so hard to bid it when we first came out because they had so much stuff in here. Really so much stuff. They had smoked in here. We didn't know that. I mean, there was a lot of hidden stuff with this particular project. But as you look around it now, it looks gorgeous. So if you weren't an active participant in this particular project, congrats. It's getting ready to be listed for sale tomorrow. It's got new carpet throughout. The existing flooring was here. We cleaned up the kitchen area down here, as you can see. Everything has been painted and upgraded as best we could. It's got new 6-panel doors. It's got, it literally has 4 coats of paint in here. We couldn't do everything we'd like to do, but it shows like a brand new house. And that's literally what we wanted to be able to do. And you can see the hall bathroom here. It's got new tile. Everything's cleaned up and ready to go. And so for those of you who are just tuning into this one, it's taken us a little bit to do it. They got new floor, new vinyl in here. This is amazing gray, which is a really hot designer gray that we use. The old doors were smooth doors. They had like 3 different types of hardware on them. All the outlets were painted. You can see they're all new and cleaned up. And it feels like a brand new house. You come in here. So look at this video, but go back to the other videos, the progress videos of this house. We made the decision, the walls were so bad in here and the light was so poor when we bid it, that we at one point were supposed to have the interior finished and looked at the walls and just said, no way, it feels like a fixer-upper still. So we skimmed and sanded all these hallway walls, the master, the bathroom behind me, all of these bedrooms. This one had a lot of twists and tricks to it. Normally a small project like this, we're in and out here in a week. This one took us a lot more to do. But the results are here. I wouldn't be surprised if they don't have this under contract immediately. There's nothing in the market at this price point that looks as good as this. And the way this program runs, if you're new to us, you can join Fixed and Sold. Right now, you can come into a project like this for $2,000 to $10,000. You use your credit card, and we turn fixer-uppers, what this was, into a retail gold or retail sold. Now this homeowner can sell this property for top retail value, and that's what we're all trying to do here. You, as an investor, you can use your credit card, so it's the only secured investment program in the world where even internationally you can use your credit card to participate in something like this, so you can earn good and feel good while you're doing it. Investors on this side of the program are earning 20% a year on their money right now, 10 to 20% depending on how they're coming into us. And then on the flip side, where we buy houses like this, our investors are looking at 20 to 30% annually on those funds. So you'll have questions, but again, if you were a participant here on this one, here it is. We're crossing the finish line literally right now. I've just come up to walk it and do a couple little things that the boys missed. I'm involved in every one of these projects. On this one, I actually physically worked here a bunch, which killed me on other things, but I wanted to be hands-on on this particular project. The customers here are phenomenal people. They love the project so much that they're involved with Fixed and Sold now. So we love having them on board and look forward to a long-standing relationship with them. You'll have questions. Just feel free to call us, email us, text us, whatever you want to do. You can find us at fixedandsold.com. I'm Andrew. See you at the next house.